We got some ish going on here. Where is this? Oh, look at how the curtains are like dancing in the hallway. It's like almost like there's a weird suction. They don't know which direction they want to go in. It's like they're being sucked back and forth and blown. It's weird. My dog, Pookie's still following me everywhere. Pookie! You're okay. You're okay, Pookie. You're okay. Oh. It's now 4:30 something. I got woken up. The wind is so loud. Oh, wow. And it's only gonna get worse because this eye isn't even here yet. Oh my good Pookie. I have no internet, no power. I'm just recording now. I think my room might actually be the most quiet room in the house. And I still wouldn't want to stay in here. Pookie, you going crazy? Everybody's quiet. The dogs are very quiet. The window. I'm in the bathroom. It's terrible. The rain did start somewhere around like 2 or 3 is when I started to hear rain. I don't know what's going on outside. I don't really care. I'm just glad I'm alive right about now. All the animals are safe. Whew. Wow. I think my room is the quietest room in the house. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, the little puppies. The little puppies are okay. Everybody is okay. Everybody's okay. Okay, Pookie. Oh, watch these curtains dance. You gotta leave like a couple windows open, but these are going back and forth. I'm kind of concerned about outside right now. Can you come over? Wow, the porch is still kind of dry. Ooh, but it's so loud. Wow. Woo. It's very loud.